And now we're in the car with Michael Solera. Say hi, Michael.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
So, Michael's gonna take the car for a really quick drive. I have not had a good reaction video of me in the car. Some of you know that I like being in the passenger seat of my own car, and this car I haven't had much of an opportunity to be in the passenger seat. So, yeah, Michael's gonna give my car a shot, see what he thinks of it. Yeah, this should be interesting.
Let's go crazy.
For those of you, oh no, you guys already know we're at the Dragon, so never mind. That one.
These are just some of the windy roads around the Dragon. Oh, woo!
Oh, I love this car.
Oh my God.
I love this car, man.
Should I go up left?
Yeah, man, do it. Oh, the ass end will step out, buddy.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Remember, we're still on stock tires. Didn't get the tires in time to, yeah.
Woo! So oh, she moves, baby. She moves.
That's 247 wheel horsepower, 267 foot-pounds of torque.
I can feel it.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh my God.
How far to Redline are you taking her?
I wasn't looking at that. I was just listening to the motor.
Fair enough.
Hey guys, Mikey Turbo's back at it again. So, as you all know, I went to Tail the Dragon in Tennessee, and you know, we had crazy driving over there. It was insane. It was incredible. Absolutely loved it. So, when you're on the Dragon, there's two companies taking photos. There's 129 Photos and then Killboy. So, I went on the website. I found the photo that I really loved, and I bought it. And it finally came in. So, let's open it. This is the poster. I believe it's a 20 by 30. I believe so, but let me double check. But this is it. Let's open it. Okay, that's not budging. Me, it's like Christmas morning over here. Oh wow. I think right over here, it might be the opening. That's it. It's time to activate beast mode. Yeah. Haha, look at that. Woo! Oh, wow. Okay. Look at this. Really great packaging by Killboy. Okay. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. Here we go. Oh, wow. Woo! This is huge. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Hey, kitty, come here, kitty. My cat, he likes my car. Just showing him. He's a big fan. Okay. Oh, wow, that thing is beautiful. Woo! Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna hold it just like that. That's me. On Tail the Dragon. Woo! Sick. Killboy, if you're watching this, thank you so much for a great photo. Kitty, no, don't go on it. Don't go on it. Thanks, buddy. Alright. Wow! This thing is like, it's crystal clear. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how it looks on the wall, but first I gotta go to the store and like find the frame for this thing. Alright guys, see you soon. Peace out. What's up guys, Mikey Turbo's back at it again. Alright, so my brother Tino wants to go to Country Donuts. It's a little meetup spot where a lot of people hang out with their cars. You know, get a bagel or a wrap, a cup of coffee. That's how we Italians do it, you know. So, he's getting his Alfa 4C right now. I'm in my Abarth. We're gonna head out and we're just gonna hang out. Alright, there he is.
What's up, guys? Ooh, and I just dropped my cell phone. Shit. And that's why you always have a case on your phone. Damn it. Right now, we just got in the car. We're going to the gym. Obviously, you can see the gloves. It's been a while since I've been to the gym. Ain't gonna lie, I started slacking at the gym. I have no excuse. I guess when the weather got cold, like during the winter time, that's when I stopped going because I just hate the cold. So I found an excuse not to go, and that's what happened. So weather's getting nice again. I'm gonna get my ass back to the gym now, and I'm gonna start being consistent 5 days a week, right after work. So let's go do back and buys today. This should be fun. Oh, it's gonna hurt so much. Louise, this is for you.